Hey everyone, if you're looking to change your currency or region on Steam, if you have probably realized it's not as simple as it seems, Steam has strict policies around this. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to get it done safely. Step 1. First, you'll need a VPN change to your online location. I recommend NordVPN because it has never servers in over 111 countries and works seamlessly with Steam. Just install the app, sign in, and connect to the server in the country you want to switch to. Step 2. Once your VPN is connected, open Steam and sign in. Now add any game or software you card. This triggers region selections option. Step 3. Inside your shopping cart, you'll see your current country with a small drop down arrow. Click it and select your new region. Steam will now show prices based on that country. Here's the tricky part. Steam requires a payment method from the selected country. You two options. The two options are use a local friend's credit card, buy a Steam gift card from that country on sites like Iniba. Once you add the funds, your region change will be complete. Before you rush to switch, keep these things in mind. Steam bans VPN usage for region switching, so do this at your own risk. You can only change your region once every 3 months. Steam support is unlikely to help unless you can prove your move to a new country. And that is it. Now you can access cheaper games and region exclusive content. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. See you in the next one.